Are you over 60 and starting to feel your legs getting weaker or less steady than before?
Maybe you tire faster than you used to, or find climbing stairs harder than it once was.
You're not alone. Millions of older adults face the same challenges every single day. But here's the truth. Weak legs are not only caused by aging. There's more to the story.
Recent studies reveal natural ways to restore strength and improve mobility at any age.
And the best part is that these solutions are simple, safe, and backed by solid science.
In Japan, researchers found seniors who drank tea daily had stronger legs and better balance.
Many lived active lives well into their 80s and 90s, walking with confidence and energy. Even legendary centenarians credited their daily tea habits for lifelong vitality. Inspired by this, experts have identified the 3 best teas for seniors over 60. Each tea helps strengthen muscles, improve circulation, and boost steady energy.
These teas are easy to prepare at home and can become a healthy daily habit for you.
If you stay until the end, I'll reveal one special ingredient few people know about. It has been shown to supercharge circulation and fight muscle fatigue in older adults. Let's dive in and discover how 3 simple teas can bring strength back to your steps. Let's begin with a tea that feels warm, soothing, and powerful: ginger turmeric tea. For many over 60, weak legs come not only from aging, but also from pain and stiffness. Hypotheses. This tea directly targets those issues by combining 2 of nature's strongest roots. And ginger and turmeric have been used for centuries to ease soreness and boost energy. Together, they don't just flavor your cup, they actively reduce inflammation in your body. Inflammation is often the hidden reason behind aching knees, stiff joints, and muscle fatigue. By calming inflammation, this tea helps your muscles work properly to support every step. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols that naturally improve blood circulation. Think of your legs as engines. They need oxygen-rich blood to keep moving with strength. Better circulation means your muscles recover faster and feel less tired after activity. Turmeric brings curcumin, a golden compound known to protect muscles from breakdown. Curcumin also helps reduce swelling after light activity, so you feel steadier and stronger. Many seniors notice their knees pop or legs ache after short walks. This tea can ease that. Another benefit is gentle energy. Ginger boosts metabolism without the jitters of coffee. Instead of crashing after lunch, you may feel more alert and ready for light exercise. Making it is simple. Steep fresh ginger slices and turmeric in hot water for 10 minutes. Add a pinch of black pepper to help your body absorb more curcumin effectively.
Sweeten with honey or add lemon if you like. You now have a healing daily drink.
1 cup in the morning is often enough to start feeling more energized through the day.
In India, families have used ginger turmeric tea for generations to stay active and pain-free. Even professional basketball players credit turmeric for muscle recovery and joint health. Now let's move to a tea that feels truly revitalizing for both your body and your mind. If you've been feeling drained or your legs give out halfway through the day, listen up. Ginseng Green Tea can act like a gentle wake-up call for your tired muscles and brain.
This tea blends two powerful plants, antioxidant-rich green tea and energizing ginseng root.
Green tea provides natural energy without the crash you often get from coffee or sugar. Ginseng is famous as an adaptogen, helping the body cope with daily stress and fatigue. For older adults, that means more resilience, less exhaustion, and steadier movement.
Research shows ginseng improves oxygen use in muscles, boosting stamina and endurance. Imagine climbing stairs, doing chores, or walking further without feeling wiped out. Green tea adds catechins, antioxidants that repair and protect muscles and joints over time.
These antioxidants fight free radicals that make legs feel older and weaker than they are.
Together, ginseng and green tea create a steady, long-lasting lift for body and mind.
The mental clarity from this tea is important. It sparks motivation to move and stay active.
And the more you move, the stronger your legs become, step by step, day by day.
Preparing it is simple. Steep a green tea bag in hot water for 2 to 3 minutes first.
Then add thin slices of ginseng root, or a small amount of ginseng powder if that's easier. Let it steep another 5 minutes. Add honey or lemon for flavor if you prefer a softer taste. Drink it daily. It's not a quick fix, but a habit that steadily builds strength over time. Studies in older adults found those who took ginseng regularly had stronger lower bodies. Studies in older adults found those who took ginseng regularly had stronger lower bodies.
Well-known figures like highly agile fitness experts also rely on ginseng tea to stay active in their 70s. If it can support someone doing action scenes at that age, imagine what it can do for you.
With consistency, ginseng green tea can return energy, balance, and confidence to your steps.
Our third tea is special because it restores not just your legs, but your whole body's balance.
It's called Ashwagandha Root Tea, an ancient herbal remedy now supported by modern science.
Ashwagandha is what we call an adaptogen, meaning it helps your body handle stress better.
Stress and aging place constant pressure on muscles, joints, and even your nervous system. High stress releases cortisol, a hormone that weakens muscles and drains energy over time. Ashwagandha helps regulate cortisol, calming your body and allowing muscles to rebuild.
Imagine waking up and instead of stiffness or heaviness, your legs feel ready to move.
Seniors who add this tea often notice lighter steps, calmer energy, and steadier balance. Clinical studies show ashwagandha can increase lower body strength in older adults. Within weeks, participants had better endurance, stronger legs, and more stable walking.
This herb also strengthens nerve connections, improving coordination and responsiveness.
If you've ever felt shaky, unsteady, or unsure of your steps, this tea directly helps.
Ashwagandha also shines at night, promoting deep, restful sleep that restores muscles.
Sleep is when the body repairs itself. Without it, recovery and strength become difficult.
Drinking this tea before bed can quiet your mind and ease nighttime anxiety.
Preparing it is simple. Simmer 1 teaspoon of dried root in water for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain and enjoy it warm. Add cinnamon or honey if you like a sweeter, smoother taste.
Some prefer it in the morning for calm energy, others at night for sleep and recovery.
Either way, consistency matters. A daily cup helps your body adapt and stay strong. Wellness experts recommend ashwagandha to seniors coping with fatigue and muscle loss.
Even celebrity wellness teams use adaptogens like this to support healthy aging routines.
For seniors, the benefit is unique: stronger legs, better balance, and peaceful energy.
It's not just about muscles. It's about restoring harmony in body, mind, and spirit.
With ashwagandha tea, you can face each day with steady steps and calm confidence.
Now you've discovered 3 powerful teas that can change how your legs feel every day. Ginger turmeric tea helps calm inflammation, ease soreness, and improve circulation.
Ginseng Green Tea boosts stamina, builds strength, and sharpens mental focus and energy.
Ashwagandha Root Tea restores balance, eases stress, and supports deep nightly recovery. These are not just warm, comforting drinks. They're daily tools for a stronger, steadier you.
Imagine walking with confidence, climbing stairs more easily, or gardening without pain.
Small steps, like 1 cup of tea a day, can lead to lasting improvements in your strength. Science shows that consistency matters. Your body responds best to steady daily habits. Don't think of these teas as quick fixes. Think of them as gentle support for healthy aging.
Combine them with light movement, stretching, or short walks to see even greater results. Many seniors report feeling more energized and less stiff after just a few weeks. The key is patience, because your body needs time to heal, rebuild, and adapt.
Remember, age is not the end of strength. It's simply a new chapter of living wisely. By choosing natural, research-backed habits, you take control of your vitality again.
You deserve to feel steady on your feet and confident in every step you take.
Start with 1 cup tomorrow morning and see how your body begins to respond.
Share your experience in the comments. We'd love to know which tea you plan to try. And if this guide was helpful, please hit the like button. It supports the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more simple health tips for seniors.
Your journey to stronger legs and more energy can begin with a simple sip today.
Here's to your health, your strength, and many more confident steps ahead.